Kasi magagalit yung pag inistorbo ko na sa baba. Ito maganda to eh. Kinanta ko to dati. Knife Rockwell. You touch my life with the softness and the night. My wish was my command until you ran out of love. I tell myself I'm free. Get a chance of living just for me. No need to hurry home. Now that you're gone, knife cuts like a knife. How will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Knife cuts like a knife. You get away from heart of man. Aray, wala na. Hirap pala no. When I pretend wear a smile to fool my dearest friend, I wonder where they know it's just a show. I'm on the stage. Aray, malaw. Day and night, I go through my tidings. Ang hirap ito. But how can I disguise what's in my eyes? Alam, salamat, di pumiyak. Knife gets like a knife. Now will I ever heal? I'm so deeply wounded. Knife gets like a knife. You cut away the heart of my... Ay, wala na. Tama na. Hi. This is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Sana, next time, gandahan ko na yung live ko. Kaso lang ngayon, nasa kitchen ako. Yung plano ko talaga maglinis. Lang, silent, lang siya. So, thank you sa, sa pakikinig, sa pagsili. Don't forget to share and like and subscribe to my channel, Rowena TV. Just as simple like that. Okay? Hanggang sa muli. Magla-live pa rin, no? And then, hello pala sa mga subscriber ko. Para sa inyo to, ha? Okay. Oh, save highlights daw, sabi.